Welcome to Research Resources. Whether you're a history major or just taking a history course, you'll probably be doing a lot of research. This video will give you an overview of a database you will likely use often as you move through your history studies at San Jose State. It's called America, History and Life with Full Text. But what is a database? A database is a system by which information, in the form of data, is organized and stored through the use of computers. What's handy about a database is that it allows for the search and retrieval of the data it contains, which can be enormous. This makes them especially useful to researchers like yourself. Many databases are discipline or subject area specific, such as those available to you at the university. Information is generally kept current by being updated and modified as needed. For example, as new works are published, they're added to the database. You'll be using them a lot as a student at San Jose State. Over time, you'll become familiar with them. You will likely find them extremely useful and time-saving for research. Many databases are hosted and managed by companies that enable their use with sophisticated interfaces and search engines, especially designed to help researchers identify, locate, and gather the information they need. America, History and Life with Full Text is hosted by EBSCO. EBSCO is a private company that provides fee-based automated information services. The information they offer is extensive and comes in many forms, including hundreds of databases. Many libraries subscribe to their specialized content services and databases so that students and patrons can access them for research. EBSCO doesn't just provide information services to libraries. They have customers in a number of fields, including healthcare, law, business, and government. America, History and Life with Full Text is just one of the many databases they host and available to you as you research for your research at the university as a student. But what does the database cover? What's its focus? You can use this database to research topics concerning the history and culture of the United States and Canada, from prehistory to the present. This database has the advantage of offering access to full text to more than 280 journals and over 80 books. This means once you've located an item of interest, there are good chances the entire document is immediately available. This can save you a lot of time. The journals you find in this database will be periodicals intended for research, professional, or discipline-specific communities. Journal editors publish a collection of articles at certain scheduled times of the year. These articles are typically scholarly works of research and analysis in a specific subject area with a bibliography and footnotes. The authors are usually considered experts in their fields. Many of these journals are peer-reviewed. Very often you'll be asked by your instructor to use peer or scholarly reviewed articles, as they're called, for your research. This database allows you to search for just those articles. But what is peer-reviewed? It's written work, a manuscript or a draft of an article, that has been closely evaluated by credentialed by experts in the field before publication. It's a way of maintaining quality. Other respected authorities check to see if the contents of the article are accurate and supported. Is the work original? Does it offer something new to the subject? This database allows you to search for cited references. This means you can look up where a particular article has been cited and discussed. You can limit your search to a specific time period, say from 1850 to 1875. It provides links and citations to book reviews. Over 1,800 journals from 1895 to the present are indexed. It also has English language abstracts of articles published in over 40 languages. This means you can get a sense of what's being written on a given topic in other places. To locate America History and Life with full text, you can go to OneSearch homepage at King Library and click on Articles and Databases. This will bring you to the A through Z database page. Here you can navigate to America History and Life with full text in a few ways. The red arrows point to 3 options. You may find the All Subjects tab on the left easier if the name of the database or vendor doesn't quite come to mind. When you click the All Subjects tab, you can scroll down the menu to History. Then click on the link to America History and Life with full text. At this point, you'll probably be prompted to log in with your student ID and password. Once you do, you'll land on the EBSCO interface with the database already loaded. Here's what it looks like. At the top of the screen, you can see that the database is loaded. Just below is where you would enter your keyword or search term. Further down, under Limit Your Results, you can select full text. You can also limit your search to a specific historical period. Also, under Limit Your Results, you can find other helpful features. To the right, you can select Peer-Reviewed, if that's what you're looking for. You can also select for specific kinds of publications. As you can see, it's showing database, newspaper, periodical, and review. Here are the results from having initiated a search using slavery as a keyword. Because I previously selected full text, all the results will have that option available. For this top result, it shows that it's available in HTML and PDF formats. To the left are ways to refine your results even more. For example, you might want to exclude all the reviews from your results. As you can see, this database has many options that can help your research be more efficient and precise. It can also help save you time. Explore and experiment, and be sure to check out the next 2 videos for some search demonstrations. I hope you find this overview helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact me. I welcome the opportunity to assist you in any way I can. Thanks for watching.